Hello everyone, today we are going to take a look at the multi-purpose tool from Parkside. This is 12 volt, the model number is PAMFW 12D4, and this thing can do several things such as sewing, cutting, scraping and sanding all in one. So let's take it out of the box. This is just the basic tool. It doesn't come with a battery and or charger. And in the box you are going to get a tool, manual and some cutting adapters here that we are going to take a look at. First we are going to take a look at the tool itself. So rather standard body. You have the on-off button here. You have a speed variator, and this is stepless. Well, not completely stepless because it does make some clicks which locks the button into place, but this is not having the annoying 6 speeds or 2 speeds or 3 speeds that you get on other tools. And you have here the locking mechanism, which I'm going to show you right away. But first thing that I'm going to show you, it's the battery. The 12 battery goes in that way, but you can actually also use this with the 4 amp battery and have double capacity with double discharge current. If you want to store this into the box, you can put it back in. You are going to have enough space in here to store it with the battery installed here, the 4 amp battery, or with the 2 amp battery. Both get in. You also have enough space to put on a charger. So if you get the charger and battery kit, they are going to fit the toolbox, which is actually very nice. Then you have here the extraction kit. This is going to fit the tool, and you can connect this to the vacuum so you don't do too much dust when you are working with it. It fixes very easy. You have this screw here, this goes over this, and you are going to screw this in. There is no tool included to do that, so you need to provide your own screwdriver. Then here on this part you are going to fit this bended pipe that just pushes in, doesn't have any kind of stuff there, and this should fit your normal vacuum pipe, and you can rotate this in the position that you want it to fit. To install a tool is very easy. You have this part here that you are going to use only your hand with, but you don't need to take this out. You are going to do this the whole way like that, and that's going to depart this from this. So you are actually going to put this on, and then you are going to install the tool that you need, and you have those small indents that are going to go through this. This is just an example. So this has fitted there, and now I'm going to use the clamp here, and the clamp has pulled in this and has secured it, and now it's ready to work. And if I'm going to install a battery here, it's working right away, and I can adjust here the speed. And as simple as that, you can change the heads. There is no safety switch on this, so on is on, off is off. There is nothing else, so be cautious when you are replacing the heads here. It's better to take the battery out, because by accident, if you press this on, it's going to start while you are changing the heads, and you have some that are more sharp than this. So you have the sanding head here, you have this diamond one, and then you have the blades, this one for wood with teeth, and also another one, very sharp one, kind of a cutter, and they all go in the same way. You just put this on, and it's now secured into place. So be careful with that. You also get some sanding pads here that go onto the sanding block here that fixes exactly in the same way over this. And now it's time to put this to work and see how it does the job. And now you have seen how this works. It's a tool that does the job that it's intended to do. This is for fine things. You are not going to use this to scrape the whole floors in a home or cut all your woodwork or something like that. This is just for small fine jobs where you need something that has enough power just to do the job, but it also has the finance to do it. I really like this tool when you are using it with the 12-volt battery, because it makes it very light, very compact, so you are going to be able to fit it wherever you want and do that job without having clumsy things, a very heavy tool, wires dangling around and so on. So it's perfect when you want to do something small and precise. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and until my next one, see you and bye bye.